You know that feeling when you walk into a room and start mentally listing all the things you want to change about it? Yeah, I've been there too. And let's not even get started on the worries that come with starting a remodeling project. The costs, the time commitment, the stress, it can be overwhelming. Today, I'm here to introduce you to a solution that can turn your to-do list into a to-done list without breaking the bank or causing months of chaos. It's called Remove and Replace Remodeling, and it's the unexpected surprise to achieving your dream home. Hi, my name is Jeff Brown, and I have been a part of the remodeling industry here in Central Ohio since 1978. I've started JSB Home Solutions to address problems I saw with other remodeling approaches. JSB uses a remove and replace approach to remodeling, and I've seen firsthand how this approach can transform homes and lives. In this video, we'll tell you what makes remove and replace remodeling different than other types of remodeling. And we'll cover the costs, timeline, advantages, and disadvantages of remove and replace remodeling. Whether you choose to work with us or not, our goal is to equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions as you navigate the world of home remodeling. Let's get started. Remove and replace remodeling, also known as pull and replace remodeling, is a straightforward approach to home renovation. The process is in the name. It involves removing existing, worn-out materials and replacing them with new, updated products. Remove and replace remodeling could include tasks like replacing tubs or showers, replacing kitchen cabinets, installing new flooring, and minor layout adjustments. Remove and replace remodeling does not make any significant structural changes or relocate plumbing, electric, or HVAC systems. Let's talk numbers. The cost of remove and replace remodeling can vary depending on factors such as the room being remodeled, the size of the space, the scope of work, and the material selected. For example, a kitchen remodel might range from $15,000 to $60,000, while a bathroom remodel could cost anywhere from $18,000 to $50,000. It's essential to plan your budget accordingly and consider the potential return on investment for your project. Time is a major consideration when it comes to home remodeling. Remove and replace projects typically have shorter timelines compared to traditional remodels. Kitchens can usually be completed in 2 to 3 weeks using the remove and replace method. Some contractors have ways to enable you to keep using your kitchen during construction. For example, here at JSB Home Solutions, we can set you up with a temporary sink and countertops until your new countertops can be installed. Bathroom remove and replace projects can take as little as 3 to 5 days for tubs and showers. Complete bathroom remodels usually take 1 to 2 weeks. When it comes to remove and replace remodeling, there's a lot to love. Here are 3 key advantages. Remove and replace remodeling strikes the balance between cost and quality. Our focus is on the value of the product. We may not always be the cheapest option, but we don't want to be if that means we lose our quality. One of the most appealing aspects of remove and replace remodeling is the streamlined selection process. Remove and replace companies have narrowed selections down to the most popular choices in colors and styles from a handful of manufacturers so that you don't have to take the time to make all those decisions. You will still have plenty of options to choose from, but this lets our project timelines and costs be less than those of design-build projects. While remove and replace remodeling may not allow for major structural changes, it still offers ample opportunity for layout adjustments. From removing kitchen soffits to adding islands or peninsulas, there's plenty of room for customization within the constraints of your existing space. Of course, no remodeling approach is without its drawbacks. Here are 3 potential disadvantages to consider. Number 1, limited by structural, electrical, and plumbing components, one of the main limitations of remove and replace remodeling is its inability to accommodate major structural modifications. If you're looking to completely reconfigure your space or move significant plumbing or electrical lines, remove and replace may not be the best fit for your project. Number 2, not unlimited customization. While remove and replace offers a curated selection of options, it may still fall short for those seeking truly unique or customized spaces. In fact, some homeowners enjoy the detailed selection process of design build and love the true one-of-a-kind result. If you have specific design preferences that aren't covered by the available choices, you may find remove and replace remodeling too restrictive. Number 3, not the shortest project timelines. While remove and replace remodeling offers faster timelines compared to design build project, it still requires time for planning, execution, and completion. If you're looking for immediate results or minimal disruption to your daily life, it's important to factor in the duration of a remove and replace project. So, is remove and replace remodeling the right choice for your project? That's for you to decide. If you want a remodel with custom material selections but don't need to make major structural changes to your home, a remove and replace approach may be just what you need. At the end of the day, any home remodeling project can be a fun journey if you choose a company who supports your goals and sets clear expectations at every step. If this video sounds like the type of remodel project you're looking for, give JSB Home Solutions a call at the number on your screen or visit our website to schedule your free in-home consultation. If you found this video helpful, press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more home remodeling content. As we wrap up, remember, remove and replace remodeling isn't just about fixing what's broken. It's about creating spaces that inspire and rejuvenate. So whether it's a cozy kitchen or a luxurious bathroom, let's embark on this journey together. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to the exciting possibilities of remove and replace remodeling.